Homeowners in Gaithersburg are no strangers to changing weather conditions. From hot, humid summers to cold winter stretches, maintaining a consistently comfortable indoor environment can be a challenge, especially in homes with older or inefficient windows. Modern windows are designed to address these issues directly, offering improved insulation, better temperature control, and a noticeable boost in everyday comfort. Upgrading to modern window systems is not just about appearance. It's about creating a home that feels more stable, more efficient, and more enjoyable to live in throughout every season. More stable indoor temperatures year-round. One of the most immediate benefits homeowners notice after installing modern windows is more consistent indoor temperatures. Older windows often allow drafts, heat transfer, and uneven temperature zones within a home. You may feel one room is too cold while another is too warm, especially near window areas. Modern windows are built with advanced insulation technologies that reduce this problem. Features such as double pane or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and improved frame construction help slow the transfer of heat between indoors and outdoors. This means your home stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer without constant thermostat adjustments. The result is a more balanced and comfortable living environment in every room. Reduced drafts and air leakage. Drafts are one of the most common comfort complaints in older homes. Even small gaps in window frames or seals can allow outside air to enter, making rooms feel uncomfortable and forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Modern windows are designed with precision-engineered sealing systems that minimize air leakage. Tight weather stripping and durable frame materials help create a strong barrier against outdoor air intrusion. For homeowners in Gaithersburg, this means fewer cold spots near windows during winter and less warm, humid air entering during the summer months. Better humidity and moisture control. Humidity can significantly affect indoor comfort, especially during warmer months. Poorly performing windows can allow moisture to enter or contribute to condensation buildup, leading to uncomfortable indoor conditions. Modern windows help regulate moisture levels by improving insulation and reducing temperature differences on interior glass surfaces. This helps minimize condensation and contributes to a more stable indoor environment. Better moisture control also helps protect window frames, surrounding walls, and interior finishes from long-term damage. Improved noise reduction. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about sound. Homes located near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas can experience unwanted noise infiltration through older windows. Modern windows, especially double and triple pane systems, provide significantly better sound insulation. The multiple layers of glass and insulating gas between panes help reduce outside noise levels, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. This can make a noticeable difference in bedrooms, home offices, and living areas where relaxation and focus are important. Enhanced natural light without sacrificing comfort. Many homeowners want bright, naturally lit interiors but worry that large windows may lead to heat gain or energy inefficiency. Modern window technology solves this problem by balancing light transmission with thermal performance. Low emissivity, low E, coatings allow sunlight to enter while helping block unwanted heat and harmful UV rays. This means you can enjoy well-lit rooms without overheating your home or increasing cooling costs. The result is a more inviting atmosphere that feels open, bright, and comfortable at the same time. Reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows perform efficiently, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain indoor comfort. Older windows often allow energy loss, forcing heating and cooling systems to run longer and more frequently. Modern windows help reduce this strain by improving insulation and minimizing temperature fluctuations. This not only enhances comfort but may also contribute to lower energy usage over time. A more efficient system means more consistent comfort and less wear on home equipment. Greater everyday livability. Comfort is ultimately about how a home feels to live in every day. Modern windows contribute to a smoother, more enjoyable living experience by eliminating many of the issues associated with outdated window systems. Whether it's sitting in a sunlit living room without overheating, enjoying a quiet evening without outside noise, or walking through a home free of drafts, the difference is noticeable. A smart upgrade for Gaithersburg homeowners. For homeowners in Gaithersburg, modern windows offer a practical and long-lasting way to improve indoor comfort across every season. By enhancing insulation, reducing drafts, controlling moisture, and improving soundproofing, they transform the way a home feels from day to day. Beyond efficiency and performance, modern windows create a more enjoyable living space, one that feels stable, quiet, and comfortable no matter what the weather is doing outside.